Our next award is the TCT Creative Applications Award. Here we're going to celebrate the artists, the designers, the dreamers who use 3D printing to transform visions into tangible art. And tonight we honor the boundary pushers who add depth and texture and color to our lives. Okay, for this category, the highly commended project is Lost Village Showstopper by Print City in partnership with Walk the Plank. Congratulations. Well done to you. And now to help me present the awards for the winner, please join me in welcoming to the stage, on behalf of our sponsor, Massivit, it's Avi Cohen. Okay, are we ready? This year's winner of the TCT Creative Applications Award is Touch and See Museum Stands by Lancaster University in partnership with Lancaster City Museum Service and Galloways.
Thank you, everybody. On behalf of all the people that have been involved in this project, I've had the privilege of working with Chris and some really inspirational people, students, members of the sight loss community, members of the museum community, and you get to meet some really cool guide dogs. So thank you very much, everybody. That's for everyone that's been involved in it. Thank you.